Fun fact! Did you know chicken feet are an excellent source of collagen, which supports skin elasticity and joint health? Including them in your diet can help maintain healthy bones and promote youthful skin at nutritious and budget-friendly choice. Let's cook adobong chicken feet. Naglagay lang ako nito ng oil, and these are my spices: garlic, onion, ginger, and chili. Then let's saute them all. And after 1 minute, let's put our chicken feet and a little bit of mix. A little lang naman. Char. And then let's put a soy sauce, oyster sauce, and of course, ground pepper, and mix them together. And naglagay lang ako dito ng Sprite, guys, because Sprite can help to make our chicken feet more tender. And then let it boil, let it boil, let it boil. And naglagay lang ako dito ng mainit na tubig, and then salt, all in one seasoning to taste, and mix them together. And also, nung nag-reduce na yung ating sauce, naglagay ako ng vinegar, bay leaves, and peppercorn. Super tender. Look at that. It's almost ready. Then, set aside lang natin yung ating chicken feet and the sauce kasi guys, ipa-fry ko siya. Ayan, maglagay lang tayo ng oil sa ating pan, and then ipa-fry natin ang ating chicken feet kasi isa itong paraan is magiging flavorful and more tender ang ating chicken feet, and mas maging masarap siya pag ginanito nyo or pinifry nyo siya again. And then, lagay natin yung ating sauce kanina. Ayan. Pour it gently. Charis. And then, buboil lang. Let it boil. And then, guys, pag nag-thickens na yung ating sauce, ayan, pwede na siya. Or ayan, ready na. Ayan, because nag-thickens natin yung sauce. Ready to serve. Ayan no, ang sarap niyan. Super, super tender. Ang bango niya. Kung dito lang kayo guys, I'm sure na mapapa-extra rice talaga kayo sa ating chicken feet. Super sarap niyan. Bon appetit! Ayan guys, super lambot ng ating chicken feet. Ayun. Extra rice, ano na, maganda na kayo ng chicken feet, and goodbye guys.